Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I am coming to you from a cul-de-sac in the beautiful state of Virginia. If you're new here, let me catch you up. I've been traveling on the road for over 3 years now. I started my travels and met most of my YouTube friends when I was living out of my self-converted short bus named Domino. This past year was a year of change. I started the year traveling with my husband, and towards the end of August we separated and is now divorcing. I also started the year living and traveling in Domino, my 1998 Skoolie, but I ended the year in my new setup Sister. Looking back, 2022 was a lot. It was mentally, physically, and spiritually draining and stressful as all get out. So I'm taking a winter break from full-time travel life to slow down. I'm resting, focusing on me, my business, taking my time decorating my new home, and to top it all off, I'm wearing the hat of godmother to my niece Marley and auntie to my nephew Caleb. Now that you're all caught up, I'd like to welcome everyone to my new short series called Life in the Cul-de-Sac. And now it's time for me to get up and get Caleb off to school. I know some of you are thinking, wow, I can't believe the HOA isn't going crazy on her. Well, here's the backstory. My brother-in-law is military and had mandatory training he needed to go to. And my sister just gave birth. Marley is literally 1 month old. And during birth and post-pregnancy, she had major complications and needs help while her husband is away. So we explained the situation to the HOA people and they requested the dates I would be leaving, and we are good to go. Don't you just love when you have favor and things work out? Okie dokie, so I'm back inside and it's like 10 o'clock still, so it's really early. I'm off auntie duty until about 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna do like some of my business stuff. Like I have a few emails that I need to respond to in regards to like collaborations and partnerships, and also I really need to like work on my website. I have some new items that I just added to my website as far as like sweatshirts and t-shirts and stuff like that, but I'm also adding membership options, which will grant early access to videos and also like welcome letters, kind of like a little pen pal situation. So yeah, I really do need to work on that. Time to get to work. Here's a quick look at my website. I design patterns for activewear and graphic art for tees and hoodies. I also have merch that is separate from the items being sold via YouTube. When you purchase merch on YouTube, I don't have access to see who you are, and I'm unable to send you a thank you letter. So if you'd like to purchase merch, check out my website. It's a little bit more personal. Okay, now that we are cul-de-sac pimping until March, my posting days will be Sunday and Wednesdays at 6 p.m. But make sure you turn on your notifications for my post as well. I post updates, pictures, and giveaways under the community tab on my channel's page. Alrighty, time for me to get back to auntie duty. All right, auntie duty is on pause for the next few hours, so I am gonna take me a nap. I love me a midday nap. I'm gonna open some of these windows, get the breeze going in, and yeah, turn on some nice soft music and go to sleep. But then I'm gonna get up, take my shower, and then back to auntie duty because Caleb has a birthday party he's going to this afternoon, and I'm gonna be the driver and chaperone. So yeah, nap time.
2,000 years later.
All right, my friends, I just enjoyed my nice little nap, and one of the best things about like cul-de-sac pimping at my sister's is I get, sorry, Jada's like right here. I get unlimited hot water and everything. So I'm about to have all my stuff ready, and me and Jada are about to go back to the house, get my shower and stuff, and then we have to, when I say we, not Jada, it's gonna be me and Caleb, my nephew. We are going to a birthday party. So let me go ahead and do that because I don't want him to be late. So yeah. Okie dokie, I'm ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get Caleb. I know he was playing video games on his computer, but we have like a 30-something minute drive and I'm kind of hungry. So I think we're gonna stop at Wawa first, get a smoothie, and then do this long drive. And I think it's like an indoor trampoline place. I'm not jumping on anything, but I'm gonna stay around for a bit until his dad come and like swap us out, and then that'll be the end of my auntie duties for today. So yeah, let's go to Wawa. Oh, I love these little thingies.
Well, it's gonna have to be an option because people are.
Use one of these down here. Caleb, use one of those. Oh, Caleb. All right, cheers. And then we are off now to
Two birthday parties, but
well, I'm going to one. I'm going to Defy. I think that's what the name of it is. So we're off to Defy, and that's like a 30-something minute drive. So wah 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 wah. Bye.
wow.
Alrighty, my friends, I would have filmed some of Caleb's jumps, but it was too many children to try and blur out. So this is where I'm gonna let you all go. But here's what's to come. Y'all are finally gonna get that decorating walkthrough video, but first we have to make it through Valentine's Day. Join me Wednesday to see how I spend my Valentine's Day in the city. Yeah, you heard me correctly. I'm making the day about me. So see you all Wednesday. Bye.